It's a 2004 Dodge Viper blower motor resistor. I'm going to show you a trick on it. First off, it's located on the passenger side, just underneath the dash. I already removed this one. You can see 2 screws hold it in. It's pretty simple to get to. Blower motor's right there. If your blower motor speed is stuck on high and you have no low or medium, chances are if you pull out the resistor, this right here has come loose and you'll have to solder it, put it back in place and solder it. Normally that happens if you have a problem with the blower motor. You can try that first. Try that first and put it back into place and solder it. There's a little clip in there. You can just stick it in there and then solder it, and it will work.